Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open BMW 7 Series trunk, updated. Press the trunk release on the key fob or the driver door, then lift the trunk gently until it latches. If using the interior button, sit in the driver's seat and press firmly while the car is parked and unlocked. For soft close models, let the mechanism finish fully before letting go to avoid misalignment or damage to the seal. Use the key fob to open the trunk quickly and safely. Stand behind the car and press the trunk icon once to unlock or press twice for full release on certain models. If the trunk does not respond, move closer and try again while holding the button for a full second. Swap the key fob battery if intermittent issues continue and carry a spare fob to prevent accidental lockouts on the road. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that fit neatly in your trunk for road trips and errands. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and grab one if you like a tidy car setup. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Open the trunk from inside using the interior release button or the center console control. Make sure the car is in park and the doors are unlocked before pressing the button. If the interior release seems inactive, check vehicle settings for valet or child lock modes and disable them as needed. In urgent situations, locate the manual release lever in the glove box or trunk interior to free the latch safely without damaging the mechanism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.